Twinkle parents, long multiplication might look tricky, but if we take it step by step, you will be able to support your child with more confidence. Setting up the numbers. Start by writing 235 on top and 65 underneath. Make sure each digit is in the correct column. Ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. Keeping numbers lined up by place value is key. This will help your child when multiplying and adding numbers together. Start with the ones digit of the bottom number, which is 5. Multiply it by each digit of the top number. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Write 5 in the 1 column and carry the 2 over to the tens. It is important to know that your child might refer to this as regrouping, which is the same as carrying over. Now 5 times 3 tens, which equals 15, plus the 2 you carried over, 17. Write 7 in the tens column and carry the 1 over to the hundreds column. Now 5 times 2 hundreds equals 10, plus the 1 we carried over, 11. Write 11 in the hundreds and thousand columns. Now let's move on to the tens digit of the bottom number, which is 6, meaning 60. Always shift one place to the left because it's in the tens column. You can help your child by telling them to write a 0 in the ones column. 6 times 5 equals 30. Write the 0 in the tens column and carry the 3 to the hundreds column. Move on to 6 times 3, which equals 18, plus the 3 you carried over, which equals 21. Write the 1 in the hundreds column and carry the 2 to the thousands column. We then move on to 6 times 2, which equals 12, plus the 2 carried over, which equals 14. Write 14 across the thousands and 10,000s columns. Always remind your children that this row represents 235 times 60, not just 6. For the final step, now add the 2 rows together, carefully, column by column, to get the final answer. And there you have it, long multiplication done step by step. And if you want to help your child more at home with their maths, check out the 5-Minute Maths. These fun daily activities fit easily into any family routine and will help grow your child's math confidence.